Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw some spicy chicken nuggets. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video. Now, to start off with our spicy chicken nuggets, we're going to begin right here on the middle of our paper. I'm going to begin by making a little line that's going to go up, it's going to go down, and then it's going to go up and down a little higher. Next, we're going to start out here. I'm going to make a line that's going to go down, and it's going to just kind of gently curve around. And we're going to make it a little bumpy down here. I'm going to bring this line down a little bit, and then I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. We're to come down and around like this. Next, I'm going to make kind of like a long wavy line right in the middle. Next, over here, we're going to make just kind of like a wavy, bumpy line that comes down. We're going to make it a little bumpy here and just kind of bumpy around there. Then we're going to draw a line that's going to come down to here. Next, just put another little wavy line in there. And then we'll put a third chicken nugget over here. So right here we're going to just make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come out and then in. We're going to make this one come up. It's going to go down. And then we're just going to connect it to here. And we'll add a little kind of wavy line right there. I put a little space in between mine. Now, starting right here, we're going to add a oval shape for the eye, and then another smaller one for the eye here. I'm going to add two little black dots for pupils in here. And then starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. It's going to curve up and down. And then it's going to go back up. Then we're going to make a little line that comes up here with a little sad face for the tongue. I'm going to add a couple little lines right around the eyes and a couple little lines like this for the eyebrows. Now, starting over here, we're going to do the same thing. I'm going to add two circle shapes for the eyes. We're going to put little black dots in there for pupils. We'll make a little line that's going to go down. It's going to come up like this and then curve up. We'll add a little line for the tongue. And we'll add a couple little lines underneath the eyes and then around the eyes. Over here, I'm going to draw two more little circles. Two little black dots in here for the pupils. Make a little line that's going to go down and then up like this. I'm going to make this line kind of curve around and come back for the tongue. And we're going to add a little line right up here with a little curved line there. Once again, we'll kind of add some curved lines here and some little lines underneath the eyes. And there you go. There is your drawing of some little spicy chicken nuggets. Now there's other things you could do. You could always add like a little bit of fire around here, or you could kind of make some fire coming out of their mouth. If you wanted to do some fire coming around here, all you'd have to do is just draw some kind of wavy, pointy lines like this. Just make them different sizes, make the flames kind of coming all over and make them get big and small, and then run them right back to here. Now I'm just going to make a little line right back here to kind of end the fire. And there you go. There is your drawing of some spicy chicken nuggets. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.